Looking for your next great adventure? Find out how to make the most of your miles when you book your award flights. Mileage Plus now lets you enjoy two types of award tickets: Saver Awards and Everyday Awards. As always, Saver Awards offer the best value for award travel. This popular award option requires fewer miles than Everyday Awards, and prices are fixed. Look for a Saver Award when selecting your flight, and book it before it's gone. Everyday Awards replace Standard Awards. Everyday Awards offer more availability than Saver Awards, giving you greater flexibility with your travel plans. With Everyday Awards, the miles you need for an award ticket change with the fare and other market conditions, so you may see different prices depending on when you search. Don't forget to sign in to see the best seat availability. Mileage Plus Premier members and qualifying card members get exclusive award availability. To get started, go to United.com or the United app and search for a flight. Check out the calendar to see the lowest available price on each day. Want to see more flights? Use the arrows to skip to another week. Or click on the 30-day calendar. Enjoy booking your next adventure with award miles. We look forward to seeing you on board.